So time and time again, people have been asking me, hey Pedro, what kind of app can I use to edit my videos on my phone? I know that you're a professional and thing, but I'm not a professional, so what can I use? But I have a free solution for you guys. The free solution that I've been using for quite some time is called CapCut. So let me show you what it comes with and what it can do with it. So here's the app. You can create a new project, but let me open the project that I have already. So you have numerous options in this app. When it comes down to editing, you can split it, speed it up, change the volume. You can even extract audio from a video from your phone. You can even use the audio from your phone itself. You can stabilize the footage for those who can't really shoot stable footage, or if your iPhone or Android phone isn't stabilized. You get me? You can export your videos at 2K or 4K 60. I love this app.